How to go live on Instagram. If you want to live stream in the Instagram app, you can use Instagram stories to do so. First, go to your Instagram stories either by clicking the profile icon from your profile page or from the home page in the story section, or by swiping right from the home page. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see various options as to how you can create content for your Instagram stories. If you scroll to the left, the first option is live, and this is how you can go live on Instagram. Before going live, you can enter a title for your Instagram live by selecting the title icon on the left-hand side and entering a title so others know what your Instagram live is about. Once your title is entered, click Add Title. You can also let people know if your Instagram live is associated with a fundraiser by selecting the fundraiser icon on the left-hand side. Finally, you can add a filter to your Instagram live by scrolling through the filter options and selecting the one you'd like to use. Once you're ready to go live, click the record button. Once you're live, your followers will receive a notification that you've gone live and that they can view your live stream. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several options as to how you can interact with your viewers. Viewers can comment during your Instagram live, and the comments will appear at the bottom of your screen. To respond to these comments, click the comment field and enter your message. On the right-hand side of the comment field, you'll see a question icon, and if you select this, any questions that viewers send in will appear here, and you can respond to them during your live. Next, there's the share icon if you want to share your Instagram live with any other users. And if you want other users to join your Instagram live, not as a viewer, but as a participant, you can select the two smiley faces. Then choose the viewer you'd like to invite into your Instagram live. And once they join, the screen will be split between your two cameras. Any of their followers will also be able to watch the Instagram live. If you want to add a filter or switch the one that you already have set, you can click the filter icon and then choose the filter you'd like to use. And finally, if there's a photo or video from your phone's library that you'd like to share with your viewers, you can select the library preview in the bottom right corner. Then choose the photo or video you'd like to share. And as you can see, the screen switches to a picture-in-picture screen so that viewers can see what you're sharing while also still watching your live's camera. If you need to switch between your front camera and back camera during your Instagram live, you can select the rotate button in the top left corner of the screen. And finally, once you're done your Instagram live, you can select the end button in the top right corner. If you're sure you want to end your live video, click End Now. You then have the option to share a recording of your live video to your IGTV, download the video to your phone's library, or delete the video entirely. And that's how to go live on Instagram. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.